I used AI to create this Christmas photo shoot, and I'm going to show you how to do it to create your own Christmas photos absolutely free in less than 2 minutes. Let's dive in. First, you go to Pinterest, and in case you don't know what Pinterest is, it's an app or a site where you can get lots of photos and videos inspiration. You can search for Pinterest on Google, or you can download the app on either Google Play Store or App Store. Once you log in, you go to the search bar and type Christmas photo shoot, so that you can search through to find what you would like to recreate. So once you click on search, you'll find lots of inspiration that you can recreate. I would like to recreate this one. I like it. So once you see the one you want to recreate, just tap on it, tap on these 3 dots and click on download image. It will download it to your phone gallery. You can get more than 1 photo. For me, I like to go with 2 at most. I would also like to recreate this one, so I'll tap on it, tap on the 3 dots again, tap on download image, and it downloads it to my phone gallery. Next, we'll go to ChatGPT and paste this prompt, and the prompt says, describe this photo. Describe everything including the background, but do not describe the face. This is very important. You can also include, make it a prompt I can use to recreate it. Click on the plus icon and it will bring you to this page. Then click on photos, it will take you to your phone gallery, then select the photos that you want. So you can select up to 3 photos, but I'll just select 1 at a time. So once it has loaded, you click on send, that's the arrow. And ChatGPT will describe this photo in a way that you can just use it to recreate it. This is the entire prompt. So next I'll just tap on it, tap on select text so that I can copy it. So I'll copy everything, but make sure you're reading what you're copying so you don't copy where ChatGPT is asking you a question. Once you've copied it, next we will go to Google Gemini. That's the Google Gemini app. This is it right here. Just tap on it and it brings you into the app. Make sure you click on create image. This is very important. Just tap on it on the screen right there. Next, you paste your prompt, the one you copied from ChatGPT, and then you click on the plus sign, it brings you here. Click on gallery, it leads you to your gallery and select an image. Make sure that the image you select has your face showing very well. They don't need your body, or you don't need to show your body, but your face must be very, very visible so that the AI tool can create it very well, accurately. And once it has loaded, click on send and give it a few minutes to a few seconds. Give it a few seconds actually, and Google Gemini will generate your image using the prompts that you gave it. And this is what Google Gemini generated. You can see that the face is my face. Like, it is so good, so accurate. I like this picture so much. So click on it, click on save, and it will save it directly to your phone gallery. And I did the same thing for the second image, just uploaded it into ChatGPT, told it to describe this exact photo without describing the face. And once it did that, I also copied it, copied the prompt. This is the prompt it generated. So I copied it and took it to Google Gemini, and I pasted the prompt and also used a clear photo. Like I said, you need a clear photo of yourself. And this is what it gave me. I like this so much. And you can see that the face is also the same. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Also, let me know if you recreate this. And if you need a video editor to help you edit your videos so you can show up consistently for your community, or if you need a social media manager or a social media assistant to help handle all those time-consuming tasks so that you can focus on what really matters, then click on the link in the description and you can see my portfolios and also book a discovery call. Let's talk about how we can work together. Also, you can click on, you'll find a link to my video editing packages. So if that's what you want, you can select your preferred package and let's get started. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it so that more people can save money and create really beautiful Christmas photo for the season. Thank you for watching and engaging, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.